guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's episode is all about how I apply my wigs, and it was a real struggle because it's my first time ever doing it, so please have some patience with me. Yeah, I had a lot of fun. I mean, it's not perfect, but I don't want to pay every time I want to apply a wig, you know, because it's like just for going out. I don't really need to wear wigs, so it's not like I need to apply it perfectly so I can wear it for a couple of days or whatever. So yeah, if you want to see how I apply my wigs, keep on watching. Also, the tutorial for this look is coming up on my next upload, so look forward to that. Okay guys, so I'm just gonna attempt to braid this hair. I've never braided this hair when it was so short before, so have some patience with me. Okay, so the piece at the back, I'm never going to be able to get there. Just take these kind of elastic bands. If you don't have them, then check if your little cousin or your little sister has loom bands, because I know that works, but you need to tie it with something really small. I'm going to add some more pins wherever I need to keep the hair back. It might be uncomfortable under the wig, but I mean, I'm not going to keep the wig on forever. I'm going to use my Got To Be Glued Blasting Free Spray, and this I actually got from Joburg. It was actually a gift, and I can't contact the girl. I've been trying to contact her to ask her where she gets these. But if I find out, I'll probably post it on my Instagram video. Just kind of gluing all my hair back because I don't want it to get in the way. So my sideburns, brushing it up. Then taking my wig cap, and this I got with the Aldi hair collection bag. There's two in there. It's amazing. Take three. A lot of people put powder on here. I don't know if you want to do that. Just gluing this bald cap now to my head. Okay, I'm gonna try to put some powder on here. Maybe I'm just gonna use an eyeshadow palette. I'm gonna use this brush because this is my contouring brush, so it's okay if I get like dark brown on it. My skin. Let's mix these two. I feel like I'm gonna. She seems a bit dark. Let me move this two on top here. Why didn't I test it on the side? Why did I just decide? Okay. Let me just apply this. Whatever, what can you do? I remember there was one point now when I got a wig cap, and then I attempted to do this myself, and then I put like concealer on here. It just came loose. Obviously because the oils in the concealer and foundation like didn't work very well with the glue. Whoa, I am looking bald. Super bald. Oh, this is so funny. I love it. I love messing. I love doing silly things. So I got the wig inside out, and then I'm gonna do the hook in first. I'm gonna put the hook in like here, and then I'm gonna pull this whole wig over my head, and then at the same time get the hooks on the side. Ooh, hook that in, flip over, grab the lace. Ooh, 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 ooh. Okay, so I put the wig on just for measurement, and what I'm gonna do is I want this to still be here for the sideburn vibes, but I'm gonna cut away from this So I'm gonna kind of measure where my ear is. Okay, please work. Oh, amazing. Okay. As you can see, I completely cut away that whole piece of lace and I only left like a piece for a sideburn. Did the same on the side. You know what? A lot of people like to cut and then glue the thing on, but I prefer to actually glue it first and cut around it. So I'm gonna do it my way. Don't judge. Let's just see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna clip this hair up. Just setting the wig exactly where my hairline starts. And I'm gonna start gluing down. Okay guys, so I glued that side down the same way I did this side. Now I'm just gonna start. I already started cutting on the side. There's a lot of glue here on my face, so it looks a bit funny. But I'm gonna start attempting to cut on the side. And I like that I'm like free to cut because everything is like properly glued down. The fact that it was so big, it was so much easier to glue because I could pull it down and keep on gluing. So I think from like, if I ever have to do this again, I would definitely do it my way and glue down first and then cut. Obviously if the glue like drips down and glues unnecessarily too far down, that's a mistake that I didn't want, but I'll keep practicing. So as you can see, I'm just kind of cutting the wig as much as I can in front just to make it look a bit more natural. Yeah, it's never gonna look that natural because it is blue, and I mean it's very obvious that it's not real. But no one's hair is like perfectly one length, so it's always gonna be breakage. So I'm gonna try to create that vibes. So I'm just taking my Design Me dry shampoo and I'm gonna spray this all over because of the shine that the wig has. So I just kind of want to take it away so it's a bit more matte. So I'm just going to take all of this hairs in front and kind of curling it outward. So it's just not too straight, kind of just waves in front. Don't want straight pieces. I'm gonna watch a video on how to glue the hairs kind of to do like the edges, which I don't know how to do. So I just want this small hairs to kind of camouflage the lace. So I'm actually just going to take this and curl it back into the wig, so it's not too noticeable when my hair is moving. I'm actually just going to keep on cutting the front part of this wig till it has a lot of layers and looks natural. It is a lot of hair, so I'm kind of having a cutting frenzy right now, because if you feel this wig on your head, it's a lot of hair to deal with. I mean, it's never gonna look super real because this thing is like perfectly rounded and nobody's hair goes like that. Okay, I'm gonna put on my makeup now and then we're gonna see how natural this wig can go. So guys, that is how I apply my wig. I applied some makeup. Tutorial coming, next upload. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It took a while. Hope you had some patience with me. It's not perfect, as you can see. I'll show you guys what it looks like. It looks quite fake to me, but I mean, I can't be making it perfect every time. I just like went scissor happy as well, because I cut quite a lot of the wig. But blonde hair, like light hair, you don't, you know, it's not like perfect. There's always like broken pieces everywhere, so that's what like I was trying to create. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Also comment down below for any video suggestions or makeup looks that you want me to do in my next tutorial. Thank you for watching.